So guess what? Saan ba tayo ngayon, Miss Sarina? We're here in
Chelsea
Parkplace. So we're happy to share to you the actual deliverables and actual amenities, what the Chelsea Parkplace has to offer to you. So
Our available units here in Chelsea Parkplace are studio with balcony, one bedroom with balcony, two-bedroom with balcony, and penthouse units.
So we still have few units left. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Very premium, isn't it? Get to know more about the Chelsea Parkplace and feel free to message us for more details, and we're more than happy to help you. Bye for now!